Hello, welcome to Shanghai Bevan. His video showcases a 金鸡苗，他对 packaging 扑到神来。It consists of a basic 100ATM outlets 电拜 packaging 型的 cutting machine and other auxiliary equipment. This 6-inch 电拜 cutting machine is used for packaging non-refined products, so online medical inspection is implemented. Because it handles ultrafine products, a dust collector is used to prevent dust generation during the filling process. After the step bags or packets, they enter the cutting system, where we are showcasing the B-120 dispensing cutting machine. What kind of packaging solutions do you need? Feel free to contact